Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can compare two databases with each other and find the changes on each other. For example, in this, I have two database, one Laravel project and another one Laravel project old. So I want to know what changed Laravel project and which table columns are not present in my Laravel project old database. So for that, first thing I have to go to database and click the reverse engineer. Then I have to select my uh, stored connections. I will select the root. You guys can select any connection you want. Then click next, and in here we will select our database. So I want to compare the old with the new. So I will select the old database and click next again, execute. After that, next and finished. So after this part is finished, we don't need this one, so close this. Now in here we have two schemas, one MyDB and another one is our database. So I don't need this one also, I will delete. Now only my database is here. So again, in the database menu, now in here, as you guys can see, in here we have an option with the name of compare schema. So I will select this one, again next, and select my connection root, then next. Now in here I will select my old database and new database. So click execute, next. Now in here I can see all the changes that happened or in our new database. Now if I copy it and paste it inside a Word file, now in a Word file I can see all the changes clearly. For example, in here we can see that the field job table has been created. It was not in the old database, but in the new database it is. So if I come to MySQL Workbench root menu, as you guys can see in here we have a field job, but in our old database there is no field jobs table. And similarly, if I scroll down, there's another table which is created newly with the name of password reset, and scroll down. Now in here, in this table form builders, we can see that the column content has been modified. Maybe the data type has been changed, or any other changes happen to the content column. And also notes table has been modified, and there it added a new column with the name of content and the type is text. So this is the way we can compare two schemas or databases with each other and find what are the difference or what change. Hope you like the video, and if you have any questions, write it down in the comments, and don't forget to press the subscribe button.